Hello and welcome back to the Cook, Live, Love kitchen. Today I wanted to show you how to make a lemon and ginger drink to start your day. We've heard about lemon and ginger teas being a fantastic way to start the day because it gets your metabolism going, it gets your digestive system going, it really helps with weight loss and with detoxing because it's incredibly alkalizing for the body, so it's great for health. But it's always good to try and make these new little rituals as simple as possible so they stick. So I've got a little bit of a kitchen hack to show you to make having a daily lemon and ginger tea or drink a lot easier. Okay, so we're going to start with peeling some lemons. So I'm going to go, let's say 4 lemons, but I've got some small ones. So I'm going to go and do a 5th one. So just pop them straight in the bowl. I have peeled them, which I top and tail, and then I just run the knife around to take all of the peelings off. I've tried this with the lemon peel left on, but it is quite bitter. That might be to your taste because there's lots of great goodies in the skin. But we're just going to pop that in the Thermomix. Okay, next we just need a nice, decent knob of ginger. Now this is super young ginger, which means the skin is really thin, so I'm not even going to bother to peel it. I've just given it a good wash to make sure it's super clean and cut off any kind of woody bits. So that's going to go straight in the Thermomix as well. Now an optional extra to really up the power of your morning drink is to add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And I'm just going to pop a little bit in there as well. So that's 4 good sized lemons peeled, a knob of ginger, let's say like 50 to 90 grams. It's really going to depend on your own personal taste, whether you like more ginger or not. And then about 20 grams of apple cider vinegar. And you're going to have to play with this for your own taste. Now don't throw these peelings away. I'm going to show you how to do a clean in your Thermomix and put a beautiful scent through your home using leftover lemon peels. So we'll just put that aside for now. Now then what you do is you blend this for, let's say 2 minutes on speed 10. So it's got to get really, really, really fine. So right up to speed 10. Let's say that 2 minutes has gone past, and what you end up with is this beautiful lemony, gingery liquid, and then it's just straight into an ice cube tray. So fill them up as much as you like, just like that, and pop them in the freezer. And then what you end up with is pop them in a Ziploc bag in the freezer, is a bag full of these wonderful little nuggets of health. And then you can go for a cold drink. So just pop it in a glass like that and top it up with filtered water. And that'll melt. Or to make a tea, we just pop a little knob in there and then with boiling water, top up your mug. And you've got a beautiful lemon and ginger tea. So that's a really simple, easy way. Every morning you just come out, grab one of these little blocks out of the freezer, pop it in your water or your hot water for your tea, and away you go. It makes it super simple. Now remember I had all these lovely lemon peelings left. Well, what I do with my Thermomix when I've got some of these ready to go is I just pop them in the Thermomix with around about 250 grams of water. I give it a bit of a chop and then I cook it for 10 to 15 minutes, 100 degrees, speed 1, and all of that beautiful lemon scent helps to deodorize your Thermomix and also to sends a great odor smell into your room as well, so it helps to deodorize your home. And then I blend that up to a paste, and out comes a really lemony, beautiful paste, and I pour it into the sink. I give my sink a really great scrub down with that lemon paste. Basically it's a bit lemon paste, and then rinse it down the sink so nothing goes to waste. Okay, so there it is. That's how to make your lemon and ginger tea part of your everyday routine. Enjoy.